Hey guys, Liv from Blackpool Honda here. Just a quick video walk around of this CR-V SR that has just come into stock. Of course, this car was formerly owned by Honda UK and was being used as one of their lease vehicles. Of course, this does mean that this car is immaculate inside and out. Of course, it is finished in this amazing premium crystal paint, crystal red. Of course, we've got 18-inch alloy wheels all round, all of which are in perfect condition. But of course, I will go into each and every alloy just so you can get an idea of what condition they are in. Of course, moving around, we do have daytime running lights at the front. Of course, in the boot we have the reverse camera just there and parking sensors along the bottom. We've got plenty of room in the boot here. Of course, we've got your 12-volt power outlet and of course a little lever just there which does fold the seats down so that they do fold flat. Of course, on the right hand side you can see just there you do also have a subwoofer built into the boot. Of course, the rear alloy just here. In the rear of the vehicle now, you can see that we do have the full leather seats with ISOFIX mounting points at the bottom. As you can see there, we've got two USB charge ports in the middle and of course an electric rear window. We've also got 4 controls for the windows, all of which are electric and auto, central lock and window lock, and of course electric adjustment with power fold for the wing mirrors. We've also got a parking brake with brake hold just there, your automatic gearbox, and last but not least your sport, econ and EV. We've got dual climate control with 2 front heated seats. Of course, we also have your 7-inch touchscreen display that comes with navigation, all your audio sources, and of course your Bluetooth hands-free, which is just here. We also have your volume just there. These arrows here control your onboard computer as well as your station and source. We've got your onboard computer controls there, voice assistant, and of course Bluetooth hands-free. Got your cruise control and speed limiter just here with lane keep assist system and distance control. Of course, automatic headlights on the indicator stalk and automatic windscreen wipers on the windscreen wiper stalk. Also, we do have, I can quickly show you, this car has only done 13,402 miles. Of course, moving back outside the vehicle now, showing you the lash remaining alloy. Of course, if you require any further information on this vehicle, don't hesitate to get in touch with our dealership and one of our sales team will provide you with a personalised video. Thank you for your time and we hope to hear from you soon here at Blackpool Honda.